Here we go lo lesson 7. Lesson number 7, last lesson blo half blo course ya, where me practice blo follow good straight line. Stop blo lesson is stop. You may try and think about all fasten where you may learn and finish. More by you may follow all step blo walk out last thing blo one passage lo Bible. Suppose you may make him hard work all same. You may have stop lo straight line. Lo narfa lesson you may talk about straight line where hemi straight meaning blo talk blo God. It could blow you remind them all geta lo something ya. More from where hemi last lesson 2, it could blow go back lo start lo picture or diagram where you got all step blo follow him. Stop, think about, after scale him, cut him out information, check him information, or last one, walk him out, last thing where you follow him good all information, more you use him every information, blo walk him out, last thing. Hang him calico, suppose you got picture lo calico. With them all thing ya, now by you may practice lo one passage, blo make sure say you may stop lo straight line, meaning say you may cast him straight meaning blo passage ya. So by you may walk lo group, one group, more you may read him Luke chapter 2 verse 8 go cast him 12. Story continue go cast him 18, more good blo you may read him full one go cast him 18 be. From where you may want him exercise he short little bit, but you may cut him lo verse 12. Be good where you read him first time, full one go cast him verse 18. Below class, but you may just read him 8 go cast him 12. Read him full passage with them everyone together. After, Olisa we go lo one group, more think about all talk where is that lo activity ya. Number 1, write him circle round lo one information. So only go through the passage, more circle him. First one, you got some man lo place here will stop outside the village. After next one, will stop look out lo sheep lo geta. He go kasem in lo passage here. After all, so we think about one information, ask him question lo geta no more, lo clear him all information where he stop. After, a good way only think about Luke, where he write him story. When him now think blow Luke, time he write him. You may say, Luke he write him full book blow gospel blow Luke blow talk about Jesus Christ. So now you may must hold him no think blow you may time you may want to walk about last think blow small half blow Luke. Number 4, think about stamp a story and blow Bible. Story blow Luke chapter 2, we go inside lo big fella story and all same one him. So good blow think about all something where he come first time, cause him picture where now Jesus he come through picture yeah now you may stop talk about. And then next something blow make him and me check him all information. So you may say finish say all information is true, you may not check him yeah from where story he come out lo talk blow God. You think say you may need him some more information blow answer more question where you ask him. Might you need him, might you good blow read him he go all verse he go down or think about all verse where he come first time. But I think lo short passage he got enough information blow walk him out one last thing. But also he good blow think about suppose you read him more go cast him 18 might lasting thing he change. But am I right? Leave me stop all same way you may tell him. Okay, time only think about something here. Now go back more time say from where you're same, from where you're same, from where all angel come through all same, from where all angel tell him all same. Now by you meeting one him. From where Luke and me got think blow tell him out Jesus. From where God and me got plan. He come, cause him time ya, by you me tell him one him lo last thing. So give him time lo get a blow try and walk him out one last thing. one example blo lasting thing is that blo book blo you be suppose another one you got different answer and do him right be good blo scale him now time only share him all lasting thing you scale him 1 with them all question where you step down. So everyone is have a look, you write him all lasting thing, whiteboard, after ask him, lasting thing, me following good all information? Suppose all things say no outside, no good now. Lasting thing, he touch him every information, might he not tell him every information, but every information he stop inside law lasting thing, we only tell him. He got enough information, but walk him out one lasting thing way straight. Then you may tell him yes, finish. More all information he clear, blow you so walk him out lasting thing. And then you may come in blow lesson 7. More you so we go back, more read him stumble blow lesson back again, blow finish him lesson yeah.